talking.
What? Did you say what?
What? Yeah, he said what? Greeny, your sister give you some pine nuts. What is that? Greeny, you want some pine nuts? You give him some pine nuts. Greeny, pine nut. Pine nut. Greeny, pine nut. Good job,
That
Greeny.
alarm is like the worst sound because waking up in the morning.
Yeah. All the alarm are bad.
Say hello. Hello. You want these things? Say hello. Hello?
Greeny
Hello?
said pine nut. That's too
Pine
much
nut?
for him.
Pine. Pine. Pine.
Say pine.
Pine.